Hello everyone, welcome to my class. If you are watching my class first time, please subscribe my channel and if it is useful, please share with your friends also. Okay na? Right. In the last class, we completed exercise 1C section 2 solutions. Now in this class, we will do exercise 1D section 1 and one concept, organ plane. What is organ plane? After that, we will do exercise 1D section 1 solutions. Suppose z is equals to x plus iy is any complex number. Z is equals to x plus iy is any complex number. Can we represent any complex number geometrically? అంటే కాంప్లెక్స్ నెంబర్ని జామెట్రికల్ రిప్రజెంట్ చేయొచ్చా? Yes, definitely. We can represent any complex number geometrically also. Geometrical గా కూడా రిప్రజెంట్ చేయొచ్చు. ఓకేనా? To represent a complex number geometrically, we need two perpendicular axes. మనకు perpendicular axis కావాలి. So take this as x-axis, this as y-axis. This x-axis is called a real axis, real axis, and this y-axis is called imaginary axis. కాంప్లెక్స్ నెంబర్ రిప్రజెంట్ చేయాలంటే మనకు రెండు పర్పెండిక్యులర్ యాక్సిస్ కావాలి. సో వి కాల్డ్ x axis as real axis and y axis as imaginary axis. So this is 0, origin 0, 0. Okay na? Now we can write x plus iy as x, y. The order manam x is the real part, y is the imaginary part. So we can write x plus iy is equals to x, y. Now we can represent order pair x, y in this plane. Okay na? So what is x is the x coordinate. Suppose x is here, this is x, 0 point. So y is the y coordinate. This is 0, y. So this is point is 0, y. So this point is P point. Suppose this point is x, y. This point is x, y. X ante a real part. So we take x on the real axis. Y is the imaginary part. So we take y on the imaginary axis. So this point is x, y. Ila represent cheyochu any complex number ni. So this plane is called complex plane because we are representing complex number on a plane. So this plane is called what? Complex plane. Complex plane or z plane z complex plane or z plane. When we represent any complex number in this way, then that plane is also called organ plane. ఈ కాంప్లెక్స్ నెంబర్ డినోట్ చేస్తాం కదా, సో ఈ ప్లేన్ ఏమంటామంటే ఆర్గాన్ ప్లేన్ అనుకో అంటాం మనం. ఆర్గాన్ ప్లేన్. we also call this plane as organ plane. అంటే ఎవ్రీ కాంప్లెక్స్ నెంబర్ ఈ మోడల్లో ఈ మోడల్లో రిప్రజెంట్ చేస్తే సో దట్ ప్లేన్ ఆల్సో కాల్ ఆర్గాన్ ప్లేన్. ఇది ఆర్గాన్ ప్లేన్ అంటే. Now we will do exercise 1D section 1. First question, first one. Find the equation of the perpendicular bisector of the line segment joining the points 7 plus 7i, 7 minus 7i in the organ plane. We have to find the perpendicular bisector. Okay na? So first take given points. Given points are, what are given points? 7 plus 7i, 7 minus 7i. These are given points. Now we can take 7 plus 7i as in the organ plane. So how can we take 7, 7 and 7 minus 7i as 7 minus 7i as 7, minus 7. Here real part is plus 7, real part is 7, imaginary part is 7. Here real part is 7, imaginary part is minus 7. So these two are 2 points in the organ plane. అంటే ఇక్కడ మనకి 2 points ఉన్నాయి మనకి. This is x axis, this is y axis. ఓకేనా? This is A point, this is B point అనుకోండి. 2 points. Okay? Let A of, take first point 7 comma 7 and B of 7 comma minus 7 are 2 points in the organ plane. The 2 points in the organ plane. In the organ plane. Okay na? Now what we have to find? Perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector. Suppose AB line ఉంది కదా, this is line segment. దీనికి ఎగ్జాక్ట్గా పర్పెండిక్యులర్ బైసెక్టర్ ఫైండ్ చేయాలి, విచ్ మేక్స్ 90 degrees with AB. Right, find the perpendicular bisector. So this required line is passed through middle point. Bisector means middle point. First find the middle point of AB. Midpoint of AB. Midpoint of AB is equals to, midpoint of AB is equals to, we know the formula. What is the midpoint formula? X1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. X1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So what is x1 here? X1 y1, x2 y2. X1 is 7 plus x2 is 7. 7 plus 7 by 2 comma y1 is 7 plus y2 is minus 7. Minus 7 by 2. So 7 plus 7 14. 14 by 2 comma 7 minus 7 0. 0 by 2. 14 by 2 equals 7. So 7 comma 0. This is the middle point of AB. Midpoint of AB. To find equation we need already మన పాయింట్ తెలుసు ఒకటి మనకి. సో స్లోప్ ఫైండ్ చేయొచ్చు కదా, స్లోప్ ఆఫ్ AB. ఫ్రమ్ స్లోప్ ఆఫ్ AB we can find perpendicular slope. ఓకేనా? ఫస్ట్ ఫైండ్ స్లోప్ ఆఫ్ AB. స్లోప్ ఆఫ్ AB is equals to, what is the slope formula? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ 1b లో వస్తుంది మనకి ఈ టోటల్గా y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Find slope of AB. Take A point as x7 comma x1 y1 7 comma 7, B point 7 comma minus 7. This is x1 y1, x2 y2. So y2 minus 7 minus 7 minus y1 7 by x2 7 x1 7 minus 7 minus 7 minus 14 by 0. Slope of AB is minus 14 by 0. Okay na? Now we have to find the perpendicular slope. Perpendicular slope ante, if slope of M is equals to slope of AB M అనుకోండి, what is the perpendicular slope? Minus 1 by M. Minus 1 by M. Perpendicular slope is slope is equals to minus 1 by M is equals to, what is the M? M is equals minus 14 by 0. Minus 1 by minus 14 by 0, it becomes minus 1 into 0 by 14. 0 into something 0. So perpendicular slope is equals to 0. Perpendicular slope is equals to minus 1 by 1 into 0 by 14 is equals to 0 into something 0. Perpendicular slope is equals to 0. So slope of this perpendicular line is, suppose take this as L, equation L. Slope of this line is 0 and this line is passing through which point? Middle point. ఈ middle point నుండి పాస్ అవుతుంది మనకి. ఓకేనా? So we have to find equation of this L. Equation of L. So required equation is, what is the formula? It passes through one point and we know slope. Y minus y1 is equals to M into x minus x1. M into x minus x1. So this middle bisector passes through middle point kada. So what is the middle point? Midpoint of AB. Midpoint of AB is 7 comma 0. Take this as x1 y1. This as x1 y1. So 7 comma 0. And slope M is, the required slope is equals to 0. Slope of perpendicular line is 0. Now substitute values. Y minus y1 is equals to y minus, substitute in that formula, y minus y1 is equals to M into, M means not this slope of AB కాదు M అంటే slope of perpendicular line. Slope of perpendicular line. Perpendicular slope equals 0. So take M equals 0. So 0 into, what is y1? Take this as x1 and this as y1. y minus y1, y1 equals 0, y minus 0 equals to m into m value 0 into x minus x1, x minus x1 is equals 7, x1 is equals to 7. So 0 into something is equals 0, y is equals to 0. This is a perpendicular equation of perpendicular bisector. Therefore required equation is y is equals to 0. This is the solution of first one. First question lo second kuda undi same manaki. Find the equation of the straight line joining the points minus 9 plus 6i, 11 minus 4i in the orgone plane. So we have to find the equation of straight line. So what are given points? Given points are minus 9 plus 6i, 11 minus 4i. Minus 9 plus 6i, 11 minus 4i. So we can write minus 9 plus 6i is equals to, how can write in ordered pair form? Minus 9 6 రాయొచ్చు దీన్ని. And second point ni 11 minus 4i is equals to 11 minus 4. 11 minus 4. So this is x axis, general తీసుకుంటున్నా. This is y axis. Suppose this is a point. What is a point? Minus 9 6. This is the orgone plane x. This is real axis. This is y imaginary axis. And take this as b point. 11 minus 4. Okay na? Now join AB. Now we have to find the equation of AB. Equation of AB. In first year maths 1b lo vastund manaki straight line chapter lo. If you know 2 points, we can find the equation of straight line. We know 2 points, A point and B point. So we can find the equation of straight line. Now we are using that formula only. So let, what is A point? A of minus 9 6 and B of 11 minus 4 are 2 points in orgone plane, or 2 points in the orgone plane. 2 points in the orgone plane. Okay na? What is the required equation? Take this as x1 y1, this as x2 y2, second point as x2 y2. So required equation is, what is the formula? A required equation of line is, required equation is, what is the formula? Equation of line passing through 2 points, y minus y1 is equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Already we have learned this formula in first year maths 1b. So substitute x1 y1 x2 y2 value. So y minus y1 is equal, y1, what is y1? 6. Y minus 6 is equals to y2 minus 4 minus y1 6 by x2 11 minus x1 minus 9 into x minus x1. x1 is equals to minus 9. Okay na? Y minus 6 is equals to minus 4 minus 6 minus 10. Minus 10 by minus into minus plus 11 plus 9 20. 20 into minus into minus plus x plus 9. X plus 9. So 10 ones are 10 twos are. ఈ 2 లెఫ్ట్ సెండ్ చేయండి. 2 into y minus 6 is equals to minus of x plus 9. 2 into y 2y. 2 6 are 12 is equals to minus x minus 9. ఈ 2 టర్మ్స్ లెఫ్ట్ సెండ్ చేయండి. So minus x becomes plus x. X plus 2y minus 12 minus 9 becomes plus 9 is equals to 0. X plus 2y minus 12 plus 9 minus 3 is equals to 0. This is the required equation of line. Therefore required equation of line is required equation of a line is x plus 2y minus 3 is equals to 0. This is a required equation of a line. Okay na? Simple మనకి కాంప్లెక్స్ నెంబర్ ఇస్తే మనం ఆర్డర్ పేడ్ ఫార్ములా రాయాలి, ఏ పాయింట్ బి పాయింట్ తీసుకోవాలి, వెట్ అప్లై ద ఫార్ములా equation of line which is passing through 2 points, that is y minus y1 is equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. This is the solution of second one. Now second question, if z is equals to x plus iy and if the point P in the organ plane represents z, then describe geometrically the locus of z. So what is first one? What is given condition? Modulus of z minus 2 minus 3i is equals to 5. What is z given? Z is equals to x plus iy. Z is equals to x plus iy. Now first solution of first one. What is the given condition? Modulus of z minus 2 minus 3i is equals to 5. Modulus of z minus 2 minus 3i is equals to 5. Substitute z is equals to x plus iy here. Z is equals to x plus iy. Substitute x plus iy minus 2 minus 3i is equals to 5. Substitute z is equals to x plus iy. So modulus of x plus iy minus 2 minus 3i is equals to 5. Now write real terms together. These two are real terms, these two are imaginary terms. 3iy 3i. Okay na? Write real terms together. X minus 2 and imaginary I take out I common. If I take I common, what is the remaining? Y minus 3 is equals to 5. Y minus 3 is equals to 5. Modulus of x minus 2 plus I into y minus 3 is equals to 5. Now take the modulus. What is the modulus of z? Mod z is equals to, what is the formula? Under root of x square plus y square. Under root of x square plus y square. This is modulus formula. Modulus of z is equals to under root of x square plus y square. Now substitute formula. What is x? Real part here. Real part is x. So here real part is x minus 2. Take x minus 2 whole square plus y is equals to y minus 3. Y minus 3 whole square under root is equals to 5. Is equals to 5. Under root of x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square is equals to 5. Now squaring on both the sides. Squaring on both the sides. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. So x minus 2 is in the form of a minus b whole square formula. Okay, next step we will do x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square under root whole square is equals to 5 square. So square and root will get cancelled. Here LHS in the form of this in the form of a minus b whole square. So simplify by using a minus b whole square formula. X square plus 2a square plus b square minus 2ab. 2 into x into 2 plus it also in the form of a minus b whole square formula. So y square plus 3 square minus 2ab. 2 into y into 3 is equals to 5 square RHS. 5 square is equals to 25. 5 square is equals to 25. So x square 2 square is equals to 4. 2 to the 4x plus y square 3 square 9 minus 6y. Send 25 to the left side. 25 left side send. So we will get minus 25 plus 25 becomes minus 25 equals to 0. So x square plus right y square minus 4x minus 6y. 4 plus 9 13. 13 minus 25 minus 12. Minus 12 equals to 0. This is the solution. This is the locus of z. Therefore locus of z is locus of z is x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12 equals to 0. This is the locus of z. Okay na? This is the second and first question. Next, the second one. What is given condition? 2 into modulus of z minus 2 is equals to modulus of z minus 1. Modulus of z minus 1. Now substitute z is equals to x plus y in LHS and RHS. So 2 into modulus of x plus iy minus 2 is equals to modulus of x plus iy minus 1. X plus iy minus 1. So write L terms together. 2 into modulus x minus 2 plus iy is equals to, write L terms together, x minus 1 plus iy. X minus 1 plus iy. Now simplify, take the modulus. Modulus of that equals to what? X square plus y square. X square plus y square. So take 2 into under root of x equals to x minus 2. X minus 2 whole square plus y square is equals to under root of x minus 1 whole square plus y square plus y square. Now to cancel square root on both the sides, do squaring on both the sides. Do squaring on both the sides. Here I am writing squaring on both the sides. SOBS. Can do here also. Squaring on both the sides. Squaring on both the sides. So 2 into 2 square, it becomes 2 square. 2 square into under root of x minus 2 whole square plus y square whole square is equals to, yes, adjust right. Do squaring on both the sides. Here I am doing squaring on both the sides. Squaring on both the sides. So 2 into 2 square. Squaring is 2 square into x minus 2 whole square plus y square under root whole square is equals to under root of x minus 1 whole square plus y square whole root whole square. So square and root will get cancelled. Here also square root will get cancelled. 2 square is equals to 4. 4 into, it is in the form of a minus the whole square formula. Take a square x square plus b square minus 2ab. 2 into x into 2 plus y square is equals to, it also in the form of a minus b whole square formula. X square plus b square 1 square 1 minus 2ab minus 2x plus y square. Okay na? Now multiply with 4. Okay, first take 4. Simplify. X square plus 2 square is equals to 4. 2 to the 4x plus y square. Send all these terms to left side terms and you go total left side send it. Okay na? So plus x square becomes minus x square, plus 1 becomes minus 1, minus 2x becomes plus 2x, plus y square becomes minus y square is equals to 0. Now multiply with 4. 4 into x square, 4x square, 4 into x square, 4x square, plus 4 4s are 16, 4 into 4x 16x, plus 4y square, minus x square, minus 1, plus 2x, minus y square is equals to 0. 4x square minus x square, 3x square. So 3x square, 4y square minus y square, 3y square plus 3y square. Take x terms, minus 16x, 16x right, plus 2x minus 14x, minus 14x. Y terms we don't have y terms. Constants, 16 minus 1, 16 minus 1 15 plus 15 equals to 0. This is the required locus of z. Therefore locus of z is 3x square plus 3y square minus 14x plus 15 equals to 0. This is the locus of z. Okay na? This is the equal solution of second question. Now I will do third question also. What is the third one given? Imaginary of Im means imaginary. Imaginary of z square is equals to 4. Imaginary of z square is equals to 4. Now substitute z equals x plus iy. Solution. Imaginary of what is z value? X plus iy. X plus iy whole square is equals to 4. Substitute z equals to x plus iy. Now simplify, it is in the form of a plus b whole square formula. So imaginary of a square plus b square I square y square plus 2ab, 2 into x into I into y, 2xyi. 2xyi is equals to 4. So here I square is equals to, take minus 1. So imaginary of x square minus y square, I square is equals to minus 1 I am taking, plus I into 2xy, I into 2xy is equals to 4. Now here we have to take only imaginary part. Don't take real part, don't take total complex number. In the question given imaginary of z square, this is z square value. So what is the imaginary part here? This is x square minus y square is real part. This is the real part, and 2xy is the imaginary part. So we have to take imaginary part only. So what is the imaginary part? 2xy. 2xy is equals to 4. 2xy is equals to 4. So send 2 to the right side. Xy is equals to 4 by 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are. Xy is equals to 2. This is the locus of z. Therefore, locus of z is xy is equals to 2. Xy is equals to 2. The question లో మనకి ఇచ్చిన వాడు గివెన్ ఏంటి? ఇమాజినరీ ఆఫ్ z స్క్వేర్. ఫస్ట్ z స్క్వేర్ సింప్లిఫై చేస్తాం. z స్క్వేర్ లో ఇమాజినరీ పార్ట్. Real and is we are take the real part only. Here given im is imaginary of z square. So this is z square. So what is the imaginary part? 2xy. Take 2xy. 2xy is equals to 4. Okay na? This is third one. Now solution of fourth one. What is given? Argument of z minus 1 by z plus 1 is equals to pi by 4. First we have to simplify z minus 1 by z plus 1. After that we take argument. Okay na? So what is z given? Z is equals to x plus iy. Z is equals to x plus iy. Z is equals to x plus iy. First simplify z minus 1 by z plus 1. Z minus 1 by z plus 1 is equals to, substitute z is equals to x plus iy. X plus iy minus 1 by z is equals to x plus iy. X plus iy plus 1. X plus iy minus 1 by x plus iy plus 1. So here x plus iy minus 1 by, in the denominator take real terms together. X plus 1 is a real term. So x plus 1 plus iy. In the denominator we have complex number. It is in the form of a plus ib. It is in the form of a plus ib. Now we have to do rationalization. Rationalize the denominator. What is the rationalizing factor? X plus 1 minus I. X plus 1 minus iy is the rationalizing factor. So multiply numerator and denominator with this factor. X plus 1 minus iy. Okay na? So take numerator, both numerator and denominator. X plus iy minus 1 into x plus 1 minus iy by, it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. A is equals to x plus 1 whole square minus b is equals to iy. So I will get I square y square. I square y square. Now here multiply with x. X into x, x square. X square. Next x into 1 x. X into iy, ixy minus ixy. Next iy into x, ixy, iy into 1 iy plus iy into iy, I square y square plus into minus I square y square. Next minus 1 into x minus x minus 1 into 1. plus 1 minus 1 into minus iy plus iy minus 1 into x minus 1 into plus 1 minus 1 sorry minus into minus plus iy by divided by x plus 1 whole square. It is in the form of a plus b whole square formula. X square plus 1 square plus 2x. I square is equals to minus 1. So minus into minus becomes plus y square. Numerator check this code on cancellation. Yes. Minus ixy plus ixy cancel. Okay. Plus x minus x cancel. Next. Minus 1, right. Oh, so what are the remaining? X square iy I square is equals to minus 1. Minus into minus becomes plus. So I am taking plus y square. Next to minus 1. Iy plus iy 2iy by x square plus y square plus 2x plus 1. Now write real term separate and imaginary term separate. So what is the real term? This is the real term. X square plus y square minus 1 by x square plus y square plus 2x plus 1 plus I into what is imaginary term? 2y by x square plus y square plus 2x plus 1. This is a real term, this is a imaginary term. Now we have take argument of z minus 1 by z plus 1. Suppose if z is equals to x plus iy, here I am writing if z is equals to x plus iy, what is the argument? Argument z is equals to tan inverse y by x. Tan inverse y by x. This is the argument. If z is equals to any complex number, z equals x plus iy, then the argument of z is equals to tan inverse of y by x. Here we take the argument of z minus 1 by z plus 1. This is my complex number. X plus iy anukondi. Okay na? So given argument of z minus 1 by z plus 1 is equals to what? Pi by 4 given. This is the given value. Argument of z minus 1 by z plus 1 is equals to pi by 4. What is the argument? Tan inverse y by x. Tan inverse of here y is a imaginary, x is a real part. Here what is the y value? This y. This is the y value. Suppose take this is the y value. This is the y x value. Okay na? Now take tan inverse of what is y value? This is the y value 2y by x square plus y square plus 2x plus 1 by x. Tan inverse of y by x. Y means imaginary part compare. What is x? This is the x value. X square plus y square minus 1 is equals to pi by 4. Pi by 4. Take tan inverse on tan on both sides. So, or we can send tan inverse to the right side, it becomes tan. Or we can take tan on both sides. Tan inverse of 2y by x square so x, what is the denominator? X by x square plus y square plus 2x plus 1. Tan inverse y by x is that. So this is y, this is x. Y by x. So denominator will cancel, both denominator will cancel. So we can take apply tan on both the sides. Tan inverse of 2y by what is the remaining? X square plus y square minus 1 is equals to tan pi by 4. Tan pi by 4. So tan inverse gets cancelled. Tan pi by 4 is equals to pi by 4 means 45 degrees. Tan 45 equals to 1. So 2y by x square plus y square minus 1 is equals to 1. This implies this send denominator to the right side, that multiply RHS. 2y is equals to x square plus y square minus 1. So 2 RHS send minus అవుతుంది, therefore x square plus y square minus 2y minus 1 is equals to 0. This is the solution of fourth one. X square plus y square minus 2y minus 1 is equals to 0. This is the solution of fourth one. కొంచెం కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవ్వకండి. Given what argument of z minus 1 by z plus 1 కదా, first is z minus 1 by z plus 1 simplify చేయాలి, అంటే we will get one complex number. Where find the argument of that complex number? Argument is equals to tan inverse of y by x. Take tan inverse of y by x. Y means what here? X plus iy. Y means imaginary term, x means real term. Okay na? This is the solution of this fourth one. Now third question. This is very very important 4 marks question. Very very important for 4 marks. Show that the points in the organ diagram are represented by the complex numbers 2 plus 2i, minus 2 minus 2i, minus 2 root 3 plus 2 root 3i are the vertices of an equilateral triangle. So what are given complex numbers? Given 2 plus 2i, first complex number is 2 plus 2i, and what is the second number? Minus 2 minus 2i, and third number given minus 2 minus 2i and minus 2 root 3 plus 2 root 3i. These are complex numbers. Okay na? We can write 2 plus 2i as 2 plus 2i as in order pair we can write 2 comma 2. 2 comma 2 actually. Next second number, we can write minus 2 minus 2i is equals to minus 2 comma minus 2. Next third number, minus 2 root 3 plus 2 root 3i is equals to minus 2 root 3 comma plus 2 root 3. These are 3 numbers. Okay na? Given complex numbers, we can write every complex number in order form also. Okay na? Here I am writing this number, these 3 numbers in ordered pair form. Okay na? Suppose these 3 numbers by using axis లో డినోట్ చేసాం అనుకోండి. Suppose this is a point, this is b point, this is c point. ఈ 3 పాయింట్స్ జాయిన్ చేస్తే వచ్చే మనకి ట్రయాంగిల్ విల్ గెట్ ట్రయాంగిల్. అయితే ఈ ట్రయాంగిల్ ఈక్విలేటరల్ అని ప్రూవ్ చేయాలి మనం. ఓకేనా? we have proved this triangle ABC is equilateral, is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral అంటే AB side, BC side, ABC side అన్ని సైడ్స్ సేమ్ ఈ లెంత్ లో ఉండాలి. సో ఫస్ట్ పాయింట్ తీసుకుందాం. what are given points? Let a point, first point a of 2 comma 2 and b of minus 2 comma minus 2 and c of minus 2 root 3 comma 2 root 3 are 3 points in organ plane. 3 points in organ plane. Organ plane. అంటే 3 పాయింట్స్ ప్లేన్ లో తీసుకుంటే ఆ 3 పాయింట్స్ జాయిన్ చేస్తే we will get one triangle. ఆ ట్రయాంగిల్ అనేది మనకి ఈక్విలేటరల్ ట్రయాంగిల్ ప్రూవ్ చేయాలి. ఓకేనా? ఫస్ట్ ఫైండ్ AB, ఈ లెంత్ బిట్వీన్ డిస్టెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ A and B by using distance formula. By using distance formula already we know we have learned in 10th class and in terms of first year also. What is the distance formula? Distance D is equals to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Here I am taking distance between A and B, AB. So A point what? 2 comma 2. B point what? Minus 2 comma minus 2. Find distance between AB. That is AB is equals to what is the formula? Take first point as x1 y1. This is x2 y2. So minus 2 whole square plus minus 2 whole square. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square under root. minus 2 minus 2 minus 4 square plus minus 2 minus 2 minus 4 square under root. Minus 4 square is equal to 16 plus 16. 16 plus 16 root 32, that is root 32. Root 32. So we can write root 32 is equals to 16 2s are actually manam. So this value is 4 root 2. AB is equals to 4 root 2. Okay na, simple. Mana points rali. Equilateral ante 3 side distance from by using distance formula find AB, BC, CA. And its length same vachina anukondi, that is equilateral triangle. Okay na, this is AB. Next find BC. BC, take B point. What is the B point? Minus 2 comma minus 2. And C point minus 2 root 3 comma plus 2 root 3. Right, find BC. BC is equals to, take this as x1 by 1, this as x2 by 2. Okay na, you can write, you can write BC is equals to x2 minus x1 whole square minus 2 root 3 minus x1. x1 means already we have minus 2 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square 2 root 3 minus of minus 2 whole square under root. Okay na? So minus into minus becomes plus, minus 2 root 3 plus 2 whole square plus 2 root 3 plus 2 whole square. Minus 2 root 3 plus 2 whole square plus 2 root 3 plus 2 whole square. It is in the form of a plus b whole square formula. So what is a plus b whole square formula? A square minus 2 root 3 whole square plus b square 2 square plus 2ab 2 into a and minus 2 root 3 b and c 2 plus it also in the form of a plus b whole square formula. A plus b, a and minus 2 root 3 and d. Okay na? So this is same, 2 root 3 whole square a square plus b square plus 2ab 2 into 2 root 3 into 2 under root. 2 square and 4 root 3 square and 3 cancel avutundi and 4 3s vastundi 4 3s are 12 plus 2 square and 4 plus into minus total ga 2 2s are 4 4 2s are 8 root 3 plus 2 square and 4 4 3s are 12 plus 2 square 4 8 root 3 plus 8 root 3 under root. So minus 8 root 3 plus 8 root 3 gets cancelled. 12 plus 12 24 24 plus 32 under root 32. We can write root 32 as 16 2s are root 32. So root 16 is equals to 4. So we can write this as 4 root 2. 4 root 2. This is BC. BC is equals to 4 root 2. AB is equals to 4 root 2 and BC also equals to 4 root 2. Now find one more side. What is the side? AB finished, BC also finished. CA find. Find CA. Distance between C and A. So CA. What is C point? Minus 2 root 3 comma plus 2 root 3. A point 2 comma 2. 2 comma 2. Find CA. Distance between C and A. CA is equals to x2 minus x1. 2 minus of minus 2 root 3. Already minus plus 2 root 3. 2 plus 2 root 3 whole square plus 2 minus 2 root 3 whole square under root. 2 plus 2 root 3 whole square plus 2 minus 2 root 3 whole square. It is in the form of a plus b whole square. So a square plus b square 2 root 3 whole square plus 2ab 2 into 2 root 3 plus it is in the form of a minus b whole square. A square plus 2 root 3 whole square minus 2ab minus 2 into root 3 under root. Here I am cancelling directly 2 into root. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8 root 3, minus 8 root 3 gets cancelled. Okay na? 2 square is equals to 4. 2 square 4. For root 3 square we will get square and root will gets cancelled. ఇక్కడ cancel it total గా 4 3 12 వస్తుంది. 12 plus 2 square 4. 2 root 3 whole square అంటే 2 square అంటే 4 కదా, root 3 కి square root cancel అయితే only 3 ఉంటుంది. 4 3 is 12 plus 12. So 4 plus 12 plus 4 plus 12 అంటే root 32. Root 32 is equals to, we can write this as 16 2s are actually మనం 16 to root 16 అంటే 4 root 2. Therefore ఇక్కడ రాసిన conclusion, therefore AB is equals to BC is equals to CA is equals to, what is the value? 4 root 2. All values are equal. AB value 4 root 2, BC value 4 root 2 and CA value also equals to 4 root 2. Therefore given complex number form an equilateral triangle. Given number, given points, therefore given points form an equilateral triangle. Form an equilateral triangle. Form an equilateral triangle. Form an equilateral triangle. This is the solution of third question. Very important 4 marks question. Easy and important. Simple. Given complex number ni order pe lo rayali. At the first point A, second point B, third point C. Like find the distance between AB, BC, CA by using distance formula. Distance formula use cheskoni ante AB, BC, CA find cheste 3 values equal వచ్చాయి అనుకోండి, that is equilateral triangle. Okay na?